Okay, so we're gonna try microwaving this Walmart balloon that Julia picked out.
Walmart balloon?
That's the Walmart.
Dollar Tree.
I know, but that's the ones the Walmart has.
Oh, the Walmart
There's
happy
nothing.
face.
Need some more. I don't know if this will fit. Oh,
No.
shit.
No.
It's too big. Come on, great. Oh shit, the microwave.
Carrie.
The microwave's really hot too.
Oh my god, it's hanging over. What was that? Lighter fluid?
No, that's water.
Oh.
It's a bowl. Okay, we gotta figure out. We gotta wait a couple days on the balloon because the balloon's gotta shrink a little bit. So let's go over here in the light. Okay. So is that all the things we have? We don't have no more things. I thought we had all kinds of things. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway.
So we have to let it deflate.
Yeah, we need like to give it a couple. Oh my god! No. Okay, go put the balloon inside before we lose the balloon.
Oh gosh.
So yeah, we're gonna go.
We almost lost the balloon.
So yeah, so just wait a couple more days. Yeah, until the balloon fits in the microwave. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.